The Reichstag Building, Berlin.
The Reichstag Building in Berlin is a remarkable example of how modern renovations can bring new life to historic structures. Originally completed in 1894, the Reichstag served as the seat of the German parliament until it was severely damaged by fire in 1933. After World War II, the building fell into disrepair, and it wasn't until the reunification of Germany that a decision was made to restore it. The most notable feature of the Reichstag's renovation, completed in 1999 by British architect Sir Norman Foster, is the addition of a glass dome. This modern element not only provides a stunning contrast to the historic stone facade, but also symbolizes transparency in government. The dome offers panoramic views of Berlin and allows natural light to flood the parliamentary chambers below, creating a literal and metaphorical connection between the government and the people. The interior of the Reichstag has also been modernized to accommodate the needs of a 21st century parliament. The design integrates modern technology and sustainable features such as solar panels and rainwater collection systems, while preserving the building's historical significance. The Reichstag stands as a powerful symbol of Germany's turbulent history and its commitment to democracy and transparency in the modern era.